Want to start 2025 with smaller clothes? Take a sip of this before bed. Seriously, this is wild, everyone. I've always struggled with my weight, especially after becoming a mom of two. But everything changed once I tried this turmeric drink that Dr. Oz featured on his show. After that, I lost over 20 pounds without doing a single thing. No diets, no workouts, no suffering. This drink is amazing because it reduces inflammation in fat cells while we sleep, helping us wake up slimmer day by day. In the first few weeks of drinking it, I noticed a surge in my energy. Months later, I finally reached my ideal weight. And lastly, I saw that my skin became clearer and free of fine lines. If you want to start 2025 feeling renewed and free from all the limitations excess weight brings, visit Dr. Julian Ross's page. He'll ask you a few simple questions to see if this drink makes sense for you. But let me tell you up front, what Dr. Ross reveals goes against everything you've been told about losing weight. The biggest myth, that you need a fast metabolism to shed pounds. Yes, you heard that right. The system has lied to you. If you're overweight today, it's not your fault. It's because of a government that profits off of keeping people in the dark. Just a heads up, come 2025, you'll probably be spending a lot on smaller clothes. So don't waste any time. Visit Dr. Ross's page and see if this is right for you.